Found new work helping to fight the virus that cost them their job. Andy Gill reports from Golborne, near Wigan.
3 people who lost jobs because of the pandemic and who found a job because of the pandemic. They all work making PPE masks for the NHS at Alpha Solway in Golborne. Lisa was furloughed for 5 months and then made redundant from a lighting company.
Upset, disappointed as there was no jobs going at the time in hand. There was no job security. It was a frightening time.
Patrick lost his job with the printers in March last year.
It was something I'm not used to. I've never been in the position before. I felt a little bit lost.
Elle only joined in November.
I've been promoted since, and it's great. It's really great opportunities here.
The firm was already making PPE, but set up this plant because of COVID. The factory here was set up in August as a direct result of the demand for PPE because of COVID. It now employs 150 people, and the company has plans to double that number. Here, some good has come from the demand for PPE, but overall the jobs picture in the northwest is less rosy. The unemployment rate is lower than some regions, but it's risen from 3.5% in September to 4.7% last month. The TUC wants the government to extend furlough so employers know they can invest in the long term.
If you look in France, the government has extended its wage subsidy scheme through to July 2022. In Germany, the government has extended their scheme through to the end of 2021. We really need the UK government to move away from sporadic announcements to set out a long-term plan.
Alpha Solway's parent company already have plans for the long term.
What COVID's done is kind of accelerated our growth plans and sort of popped us along a bit further and a bit quicker than we thought, but we won't go away after COVID. We're not a COVID business, we're a PPE business, and we're here for the long term, here to stay.
The workers here look to have a secure future, but the TUC estimate 750,000 people in the northwest rely on furlough, a measure of the challenge ahead. Andy Gill, BBC Northwest Tonight, Golborne.